Pirates of all ages, we are here with a very exciting episode of What's in This Storage Unit. I paid right here $190. There's about 13 to 15 boxes in there, a couple computers. Anyway, I'm gonna load this up, take it back to my storage, and we got everything right there in that little bit of hole. We'll go back to the warehouse and we will unbox this and see what we got. Getting an offer on a backup bid on a unit I was bidding on. The person obviously ran it way up through the roof and then decided to not pay, and they told me that I can call the facility to put in an offer because I don't feel it's justified in the legal world to charge me one bid under somebody running a unit up. And the manager said it's fine, my offer, to have you guys call them.
What was the offer?
4,000.
4,000. Okay. I'll go ahead and give the manager a call just to verify this information, and then we'll go ahead and issue that invoice for the 4,000. Okay.
All right.
All right, boss. Is there anything else I can help you with while we're on the phone?
That's it. All right, and we are back at my storage. There's the little load. We are going to take a look, see what we got, bring it in my storage, and get on to the next one. First item on the agenda is a wireless guitar, PlayStation 3 frontman, Nyko. That could be a cool one because alternative picker for color. Interesting. It's all here. It's basically new old stock. I don't want to pull it out of the thing, but it is PS3, so that gives it a little more momentum than I think Xbox 360 ones, but I'm uncertain. They bought it at DD's discount for $12.99 back in the day. What do you guys think? This completely fell apart in my hands as I was walking back. What, it's got $5 in fans in there. It is a cool case. At one point somebody spent $100 to $200 on that case. I probably will not do anything with it. I can tell it's already frustrating me the way it's popped apart and all of the stuff it's done since we picked it up and put it in our hands. But like I was saying, this, you could probably make what do you think, a Bitcoin mining computer out of it? Can we do that? I would love to make a Bitcoin mining machine. Come on. Very frustrating. Let's go with this one and this one. Actually, this left one is heavy. What's in there? What's in there? It looks like, my guess so far is this person was a serious gamer and they fixed stuff. They were into buying things, upgrading. Don't know if all the pieces. What's we got here? This is the first thing. This might be a telltale sign of, okay, cooler master. This could be in there, or it could be in the computer. There is another computer, and these are expensive parts. I almost, come on. Okay, nope, it's not in here. That's sad, but hopeful still, because this piece could be in the other computer. The other computer could be a $2,000 computer. Computers are out of control right now. Let's see what else we got. This one seems to be full focus gold, semi-modular 750, and it's got a cable. It's got nothing tra-la-la. We'll have to look in there later too. Like I said, could be in the computer. Then we have Gamer's Choice, award-winning sound quality. Those are kind of cool because the little pancake was looking for this kind for her little Nintendo Switch piece, so I'll bring that home for her. That is perfect. We got fractal design here. We got computer screws. Awesome. We're screwed. Here we have an A-Rock. Ooh, nope, nothing in there. Carrying on. This one is heavy. Maybe it is the whole computer, or is it just the box? Let's see. Hopefully it is a whole computer. That'd be nice. Let's see. It's got a button. It's got a thing there. That's probably pretty standard. Let's see if this pops off. Ooh, careful, Michael. Ooh, yes. That looks like a whole computer to me. Nice. I don't know much about this. This looks like maybe a couple $100. That is nice. I'm very excited. Look, we got some RAM. We got everything needed to make a good computer happen. The box was a Roswell, so I'm excited. That is nice. This is a good find. Like I'm already a little skeptical. Hooray! We're not gonna lose. Someone pulled some tape here already on these boxes, so that's a little saddening, but it doesn't discourage me. You nothing ventured, nothing gained. You never know. Look at this backpack. What is this for? An Asus. Damn. We got a notepad. What were they taking notes on? Travel, okay. And we're gonna need this. We're gonna need that possibly to log into a computer. Okay, this is always a good thing. I love chords and squares. We're looking for rare computer pieces. That looks like it might be something important. Wire ties. They were a computer dude. They were definitely a computer dude. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, I don't want to touch none of these things. These are NVIDIA. Ooh. Okay. Is this money right here? I want to be careful. I don't want to touch the plastic or the metal, etc. But we got a handful of these NVIDIA Quadro cards. What is that all about? A Trendant. I think this might be money. I'm gonna have to look up on the internet, but I know graphics cards and other chips are basically sold out nationwide right now. It's really a hard thing. So this could be something really kind of valuable here. Look at all this. I'm not going to touch these. What is this? 8 gigabytes of memory upgrade for a Dell. 8 gigabytes of memory upgrade for a Dell. We got memory sticks. Those could have this is nice. I'm excited. There we go. This looks like a little bit of money here. What do you guys think? Continuing on, bummer, that's empty. Continuing on, what do we got here? Piece after piece. Okay, it's more parts. Okay, that looks like a gun part. Damn, that could have been nice. That looks like a gun part too. Broken gun parts. Targets. Okay. Wow, that was such a shame. Somebody had a gun. You know how much I like guns. Tactical. And what do we have here? These TV mounts? Let's carry on here. Ooh. That is actually here. A Radeon FXX graphics. Wow, that is pretty nice. I don't know what this goes to, but let's see what the box says. Yep, graphics card, Radeon. That looks like a very pricey piece right there. I'm gonna have to look that up. Gosh darn, this one was heavy. It looks like hard drives. I don't know what to do with these. Sensitive information in here. It looks like hard drives and RAM. Here's another 8 gigabyte RAM, brand new, for Dell. Here is another 2 gigabytes king site. So this is a quite fancy little stuff here. We got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 750 gigabyte hard drive. That is pretty nice actually. So one thing about these pieces is they have a platinum disc in here. That's what people scrap them for. There's a platinum recovery disc in every one of these. You can see it kind of right there. That's coated in platinum. Same with all these. That is one reason why people scrap metal, this stuff. But we're killing it on the RAM. We're killing it on the RAM, I think. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is brand new. It has to pay for the unit right here. 4 assembly instructions. It's never been used. That is really nice. I'm talking, that has to pay the $220 for the unit right there. Believe it or not, it doesn't have any words on the box. We'll have to look at it a little deeper. What do you guys think? Comment below what you think, how so far what we're doing in this unit. This gigabyte fluid, okay. It looks to be used. Maybe this is the bad one. There's more than one though. Ooh, and there's a processor. What is that too? Intel I don't know. That's probably the processors that went on that one. Then you come in here and there's a whole nother one. 2 motherboards. uncertain of their significance. Their Game Informer. Damn. Camera box, that's sad because I would rock that camera so hard on my YouTube videos. Oh, that's empty too. Please actually be in here. And so far, I'm not upset about this. Like, nothing ventured, nothing gained. I told you guys the storage world's out of control. I'm being very choosy on what I buy. I have to. So my gambles have to be calculated. This is not that bad so far. It could be worse. This is a nothing box right here. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, we have maybe some goodies coming out here. Maybe some goodies. A Linksys Cisco router. That's kind of cool. A couple bucks there. Let's pull that out there. Let's pull this whole box out here. Hey, how you doing? And let's see, do we have anything? Ooh, this feels kind of heavy. Google Home Hub. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. No. Clickbait. Come on, why value pack, whatever you are, be in there. Fans, okay. So we have brand new fans for computers, 2 of those. Maybe brand new. Definitely got to find a computer guy. This one feels promising. What do we have in here? More. All right, so we're getting somewhere. Maybe they're used parts from something he did work for. This feels heavy. What is this? Logitech Pro camera. But what's in here is maybe cool. A UC-BC adapter. This looks kind of neat. What is this? So this makes everything operate. Interesting. Crucial memory. 16 gigabyte kit for a notebook. That's got to be money. We have a Stream Link. I'm not certain what this does, but I like the potential of it because maybe it's something I can use. Let's be careful here. We got another NVIDIA Quadro, maybe a graphics card, and another hard drive. All right, that's a few bucks in that box. Nothing special. Imagine if all this stuff was brand new. We'd be so in the money right now. We'd be so in the money. Okay, this feels like there's something in it. What is it? A Docomo Next. Huh. That is a weird cell phone. Interesting. That will be... I don't know what I'll do with this stuff. What do you guys think? I don't know if this will be a fun YouTube auction. Motorola Razr. Yep, it is in here, right? Nope. No phone. Okay, just the parts. All right, let's go in here now. Oh, we got another one of those cell phones. Is it in here? Yes, it is. Look at that phone. Wow. All right, a Motorola Razr. And a Dell Power Connect. That could be something. And what it looks like to be a lot... Oh, nope, there's not just paperwork. What kind of music did we like? Hollywood love songs. Who doesn't... Ooh, what's that? Who doesn't love this? Has some promise. It has a hard drive. It has everything in it, but there obviously is... Okay, no, yes, there is one hard drive. This is obviously rerouted for some reason. I don't know why. There's a huge motherboard in there. This could be potentially a working computer, but I don't know. This thing is awesome, whatever it is. But it also could be missing something. I don't know. Where's the CPU goes down there. Graphics card would need to go there. It doesn't have a graphics card. Maybe that's the issue. Nonetheless, this is probably a few bucks right here. I would venture to say. That is not cheap. I guess this is... Ooh. So they used the processor and left this beautiful fan here to cool it down. As brand new piece, I'm guessing. That's still pretty neat though. That's got to be a few bucks, I bet. What's that, maybe 40, 50, maybe more? Uncertain off the top of my head. AMD Ryzen 3700 8-core 16-thread processor. And this one, is this in here? No, it's just little components for that. So that box was very unrewarding. We have one more box left. Last and final box, no tape, but a lot of weight. And we got, ooh, geez, what do we got? Okay, we got some type of security camera. Okay, that's kind of cool. Who doesn't like a security camera? Then we got some power supplies here. Okay, and then we got a whole piston of laptops. Let's look at these. All right, so we got an Asus. Wow. All right, we got a Lenovo ThinkPad, missing a hard drive. A little bit older, Windows 7, broken screen, it says. Here we have a Lenovo ThinkPad. Doesn't say anything. Windows 7, i7. Wow. There's a few bucks in this lot no matter what happens. A ThinkPad. Wiped. So maybe something there. Okay. Another one. i5 core processor. Let's keep continuing on. Empty box. Another power cord that probably goes to one of these laptops there. We have a cute little keyboard. We have a Dell, a dirty Dell. Okay, needs a keyboard. We have wiped. Okay, so that needs what? To be sold. Okay. Damn, what is that too? An airsoft gun? What do these go to? This is kind of crazy right here. Okay, we got a gun stock, some type of barrel. Okay, and what is right here? Gun grips, it said. Interesting. Is this for a real gun? I don't think so. Uncertain though. When you guys comment below and let me know if you think this is for a real gun. MP5 gun guard. Oh, there's some type of chips as a processor. I don't want to touch those. Some memory, etc., etc. I like all these parts. I'm excited because it's not the normal thing I like to find, but I like when I make money. Period. Making money is nice. Ooh, I don't want to touch these. I don't know what they are. I think they're cooling components maybe of some form. And then a couple more. Great. That one's pointless, Michael. You're costing yourself money. Slow down, buddy. Slow down. We got two more NVIDIA Quattros, an R33 and an R33. And then one last. Okay, wow. Tons of RAM, tons of memory. Okay, that's a wrap there, guys. That is everything. The few boxes I got is done. The storage is 190 plus 19 in fees. $209 this unit cost me. I think there's a couple pieces that can almost pay for the unit by themselves. Cumulatively, I think there's far over $1,000 in this unit. We bought this unit for $1,510. Well, I could tell you the definition of shill bidding is intentionally fake bidding by a seller on his or own auction to inflate the final price. This can be accomplished either way, by seller himself by colluding with the seller to place fake bids on his and her behalf. Tell me how that is not shill bidding if the fake bidder didn't pay for the $720 and you expect me to pay $7,010. Please explain to me how that's not shill bidding.